Hey, good morning, everybody, and happy Friday to you. This is your market update for March 3rd. I hope that you guys are all having a great day and ready for the weekend. So, some good news in both the stock market and the bond market today, both opening on a positive note this morning. The Dow initially opened up 88 points. NASDAQ and S&P 500 both opened up slightly on the day as well. Further good news is that all three indexes have continued to rally throughout the latter half of the morning into the early afternoon. Dow is currently up over 300 points, NASDAQ up about 191 points, and S&P 500 up 54 points. Mortgage-backed securities started the day up 31 basis points, and last I looked a moment ago is actually up 36 basis points. So mortgage-backed securities have actually moved back up above that level of support that we broke down through yesterday, which is a good sign. If we get back up above that level of support and that support holds, that should keep interest rates relatively stable moving into next week. Here coming up, as I mentioned a couple of times before, we've got employment and inflation reports that are slated to come out March 10th and March 14th, which we are hoping will be bond friendly and interest rate friendly. So we'll wait and see. The Freddie Mac survey for 30 and 15-year rates came out yesterday afternoon, and as expected, did show a slight uptick in both 15 and 30-year rates. The 30-year rate increased week over week from 6.5% up to about 6.65%. So a 0.15% increase there. The 15-year increased by 0.13% week over week, 5.76% last week. This week is sitting right at 5.89%. So I think that's like 4 or 5 consecutive weeks of slight increases in mortgage rates, which of course collectively we've seen rates increase almost 0.75% over the course of the last 4 to 5 weeks. Definitely, in need of some relief and for mortgage rates to settle down and drop back down again. So keep your fingers crossed and say a little prayer that happens within the coming weeks. But nonetheless, I hope that you all have a great weekend, and I will see you again on Monday.